The easiest way to make a woman chase you is by understanding two things: what she needs and what she wants. In this video, I'm going to show you how to read both of these so you can become the kind of man who naturally attracts her, even to the point where she starts chasing you. All right, let's start with what she needs first. Point 1, emotional connection. First, become the guy she enjoys talking to every day. Research shows that women value emotional connection more than just physical appearance. So what if you're a quiet guy? Relax, you don't need to talk a lot. What matters is how you listen. Use active listening. Nod while she's talking, give simple responses. Show that you're genuinely paying attention. Don't just hear her, be present in the conversation. If you can become someone she feels comfortable opening up to, that's already a huge value in her eyes. Point 2, show leadership. Second, show leadership. Women are naturally attracted to men who can lead and take direction. For example, if you ask her out and she says she's busy, you can say, "It'll only take 45 minutes, I'll take you home after." This shows confidence and that you have a plan. Or when she says anything when choosing a place to eat, don't keep asking, just say, "All right, I know a place," then take her there. Simple, but powerful. Other small things: open the door for her, walk ahead in crowded places, guide her when needed. All of these show control and a protective nature. Point 3, direction in life. Third, show that you have direction in life. Women aren't just attracted to money, they're attracted to men with vision and stability. You don't have to be rich, but you need to. Have goals, work hard, keep improving. That's what makes you valuable. Now let's move to the second part, what she wants. If her needs make her feel comfortable, her desires make her feel attracted and curious. Point 1, use the Benjamin Franklin effect. First, make her invest in you. Use the Benjamin Franklin effect. How? Ask for her opinion. For example, what do you think about this job decision? When she starts helping you subconsciously, she becomes more emotionally invested. Point 2, limit communication. Second, don't be too available. Women are attracted to men who have a life, so limit your texting. For example, midday, 12 to 1 p.m., evening, 7 to 10 p.m. Outside of that, focus on your life. If she asks, "Why don't you text more?" that means she's starting to look for you. And that's exactly what you want. Point 3, stop being a nice guy. Third, stop being a nice guy and start being a good man with standards. There's a difference. Nice guy always agrees to anything. Good man, honest, and has principles. If she asks for your opinion, don't always tell her what she wants to hear. Give honest answers, but stay respectful. If you can't attend something, don't force yourself just to please her. Be willing to say no. That's what makes you respected. So here's the point, bro. If you want her to chase you, you need to understand 3 things she needs and 3 things she wants. Once you master both, you won't need to chase anymore. She'll come to you. Thanks for watching until the end. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay sharp. Keep improving.